Hello guys, this is Janika. Welcome to Learning Ladder of C language. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about a pointer concept in Union. So to explain this concept directly, we move into the programming part. To use and pointer concept of the union, first let me declare a union with a name 10do. Okay. Inside this, let's take an integer I equal to 10. Let's declare the reference variable directly itself as said. So first let's use a printf statement to print the data that present inside the union 10do by using a normal methodology. First let's compile this program, let's see whether this union is working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's move into the program pointers concept of this union. To declare a pointer to the union, we have to use a command line union keyword followed by the name of the union, and then by using a star operator we can declare a pointer to the union. So here we declare a pointer to the union, but this pointer should hold some address memory location. To hold some address, I'm gonna store the address of the reference variable of z. So only by using the address of some reference variable that refers to the union, we cannot access the data present in the union. So here we have to change with an x. So let's compile this program. I hope you are gonna get an error. This is why, because while we are handling union within a pointer concepts, it is not recommended to use a dot operator, because this dot operator is used only for the direct reference variables, not by the pointer reference variables. So to get in data through the pointer reference variables, then we have to use an arrow mark keyword. So by using this arrow mark keyword, we can say the compiler that to take the value that present in the union through this pointer. So let's compile this program. Yeah, we are getting an output. So make a note, guys, this arrow mark operator should be used when we are handling an union through the pointers. So this is a basic knowledge that how we can use a pointer concept of the union. Now let's see the various methods that we can follow to initialize to use this pointer. We can initialize this pointer directly in the single line itself, like this. Yeah. So let's compile this program. We're gonna get the data. So it's an optional that we can initialize these pointers directly in the declaration of this pointer of this union, or in the second other line, on the next line, or the wherever that we are required in the programming part. So now let's see a new methodology that if suppose I'm declaring a pointer as a reference variable as an array, then what happens if suppose I'm trying to use a pointer concept to the particular reference variable. So as I previously explained in the array systems, how to handle a pointers in an array, that we should not use an address for these arrays. So I'm gonna take it off. So now let's compile this program. We're gonna get the first data, 10 as an output. For our clear information, let's print all the values that present in a union. The value that present in the union with the different reference variables. Let's take a for loop. Inside this, let's declare an loop. Like let's say conjure as a variable. Let's give a condition at 5 and increment the g. Okay. So here I'm gonna get this set as an array. Let's compile this program. Now wait a minute. Yeah, here you should use an address operator because we are specifying this particular index. So if you are not, then we are gonna get an error. So let's compile this program. We are going 10 10 10 10 in the output screen. For our clear understanding purpose of an output, let's print and new line and each and every value of printf statement. So we are getting 10, 10, 10, 10 5 times in the output screen. So this is how these reference variables differ from the one to the other while we are declaring a reference variable as an array. Now let's see a new concept that I'm gonna use in the programming part. I'm gonna take it off this command here, and I'm gonna put before let's take it as an first initial let's take it as an address of 0th index. So let's do it that. Okay, address of 0th, and here I'm not gonna give this command line. I'm gonna increment this pointer x. Let's compile this program. Now let's see what happened in the output. We are getting the same output this way, because when we are incrementing a pointer of an union, directly it's gonna get in the next address memory location of a second index reference variable. So it's directly compiler will identify the second index variable's address, and it will be loaded to the x pointer. So while we are incrementing, directly it's gonna point to the next union referred by the different reference variable. So that's all how we can use a pointer concept in the C programming language in Union. In the next tutorial we will see what the difference between this union and structure. So don't forget to subscribe to get an alert for the next tutorial video. Thank you for watching.